Pay rate is also a slope. So when we look at the relationship between the hours worked as our independent, our input, versus our the total pay, which is our dependent variable or our output, we can see there's a relationship, and this relationship has slope. Okay, so in this case here, it looks like the rate of pay is different at the beginning compared to then. So maybe they're on probation, they get paid less, and then after probation they get paid more. So in the rate for the first 10 hours worked, we're going to find the slope. Okay, so again, we're going to compare the rise, okay, the change in y. The change in y in this case is going to be 80 minus 0. So we end up with $80 as our change in y. Our change in x. Change in x is going to be this length here. Okay, to find that length, we're going to do 10 hours minus 0, or 10 hours. Okay. And when we work that out, that's going to be $80 for every 10 hours, or as a unit rate, it's going to be $8 per hour. Okay. After 10 hours, they get a raise. So we want to know what the raise is. So we want to see, first of all, figure out the rate that they are, rate of change for the next 20 hours here. So they earn $300, but they started at 80. So the rate of the change of pay is going to be $220. So they earn $220. The time frame of that is, so they ended at 30 hours. They started at 10 hours. So the change was 20 hours. So they earned the $220 over 20 hours.